Um, okay, thank you very much. Okay, recording. Right. Okay. So before we will start, allow me to do my introduction. I usually say this even on my personal blog. Okay. I would always say, good evening, world. Good evening, Philippines. And good evening, Cagayan de Oro City. We're live, alive, and kicking alive in Cagayan de Oro City. Sa mga kababayan natin sa Luzon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga kapatid, kapuso, ka A to Z. Sa mga igsuon nato sa Visayas ug Mindanao, maayong gabi ug sa atong mga igsuon nga Muslim, assalamu alaikum. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po dito sa Forex introduction and cheat codes. Now, dalawa po yung pag-uusapan natin dito sa yung gabi na to. Number one po is the introduction to Forex. Alamin natin to kung ano tong Forex, no? Kanina may nagtanong sa akin, boss, ano yung Forex? And I cannot chat everything, a 1 hour webinar in one chat. So sabi ko sa bro, i-google mo muna. Oh, so I think he's here, no? So number two, part of which is yung cheat codes. Okay. So let us start. So let
Sorry, Coach, na-mute po kayo. Alright, unmute ko muna. Unmute. Okay. Coach, okay, can you unmute? Okay, that's good. Thank you. Sorry po.
Okay. Let us rewind, no? So tonight, dalawa po yung pag-uusapan natin. Yung introduction to Forex, para pong nangliligaw to. Ako po, si Noel Lirong po, parang ganang nangliligaw. So, ito po, introduction to Forex. And number two, kung anong ang mayroon na magandang balita sa gabing ito. So, let me introduce to you myself first. I am Noel Nunoy Hirong. No, I am 52 years old, though my heart beats like 25 years old. I came from Camp Phillips, Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, where you can see the ocean of pineapple of Del Monte. Anak po ako ng pinya at katas po ako ng pinya ng Del Monte, Philippines. No, I have finished 2 courses. One is a nautical in Cagayan Capital University, and the other one is business management at Ateneo de Cagayan Xavier University. I have 20 years of experience in sales and marketing po. I came from book selling. I was a unit manager and I transferred to Smart Communications for 15 years. After Smart Communications, kami po ang pioneering ng D2 Telecommunity. No? And I am one of the board members of the Fraternity Orders of Philippine Eagles. So sa mga kuya, sa mga ate dyan, sa mga bunso, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. No? And I am one of the coaches dito po sa organization, sa community natin. And I have also a political career. I was the first provincial federation president of the Sangguniang Kabataan of the province of Bukidnon po. Ibig po sabihin yan, I was a former provincial board member representing the Sangguniang Kabataan. At katulad po sa sinasabi ni Coach Nars, dati po akong seaman, dati po akong kabaro, no? After hindi ko feel yung pagiging seaman po kaya bumaba ako, no. So, let me continue. My FB page po, my FB name is Uncle Nonoy. So, if you watching in Australia, my FB page po, my personal page po is Uncle Nonoy. You can message me if you'd like, no? Okay. So, actually po, this is my family, you know. Tatlo lang po kami, my wife, me, and my kid. My kid is a very special child. She has a Down syndrome. No, in layman's term po, yung anak ko po ay mongoloid, no? But she's very good. She speaks English and she's going to school now. My wife is in America. Katulad po, I'm sorry for itong pag pinag-usapan natin to, medyo emotional ako. My wife is in America. Kung baga, katulad po ng ibang OFW natin, parang domestic helper lang din po. Parang domestic helper din. She is a driver of a family, hatid sundo sa mga bata. And then, naging nanny po siya. And then, naglilinis din siya ng bahay. So last June, she went home to celebrate the birthday of our child, si Chloe. So the reason why I joined this community is that because this is the only community that gives me enlightens me or gives me the light that I can bring home back my wife. And together, magiging buo po kami. Mas masarap ang pamilya po kung buo. No? Although kumikita siya, kumikita ako, but our income is not enough to sustain the life that we would like to have. No? That's why I joined this community. Ito po yung ito po yung business ko, yung sinasabi ko kanina. I am a builder and a buy and seller of multi-cab, yung maliliit na mga sasakyan. No? So ito po, these are the units. So kung gusto niyo po mag-order, just message me. No? It's part of my business. And ito po, ang pictures ko po, yung I was awarded with exemplary contribution to the Fraternity Orders of Philippine Eagles. Dahil eleksyon po ngayon, isasama ko na rin to. Dati po ako tumakbo. Tumakbo ako 2022 ng konsihal ng bayan namin. Sa awa po ng Diyos, sa mga panalangin po ng Diyos, natalo po ako. Kaya po, nag-negosyo po. This was me when I ran for municipal councilor in Manolo Fortich. So, etong dalawang to, magkaibigan pa. Ngayon, magkaaway na. Now, to continue. Now, let's begin with the Forex now. Disclaimer lang po, disclaimer. We don't accept any investment. Marami pong nagtatanong sa inyo, Sir, magkano pong investment dyan? I will give you 4 indications na scam yung napasukan nyo. Remember, guys, kung yung iba dyan, sir, na scam po ako, maraming scam. Now, these 4 indicators na scam. Number 1 po, tumatanggap po sila ng investment. Dito po sa atin, wala pong investment. Wala po kaming panghahawakan na pera nyo. Kayo po ang hahawak ng pera nyo. Wala pong investment. That's number 1. Number 2 po, siguradong scam yun kasi hindi po kayo ang mag-open ng account nyo. Hindi po kayo. Sila po ang mag-open. Ibig sabihin nun, pag hindi kayo ang mag-open ng account nyo, ibig sabihin yan, scam po yan. Number 3 po, kaway-kaway naman sa natamaan dyan. Kaway-kaway. Number 3 po, hindi po nyo agad-agad ma-withdraw yung amount nyo, yung pera nyo. Yung sinasabi, ma'am, kumita na kayo. Sir, kumita na kayo. Paano pa kumita? Magbabayad pa kayo ng withdrawal bago nyo ma-withdraw yung pera. At saka sabihin, in 2 months, in 3 months, nyo po ma-withdraw. Ibig sabihin yan po, scam po talaga yan. Dito sa atin, you can withdraw anytime, you can withdraw anywhere. Kahit po nasa CR kayo, pwede kayo mag-withdraw. I-prompt nyo lang yung cellphone nyo. Alright? So number 4 po, pag wala kayong community, wala kayong kasama, wala kayong community, ibig sabihin yan, scam po yan. So kaway-kaway kung sino po ang natamaan dyan. So ibig sabihin, natamaan po kayo, na scam po kayo dati. Pero dito po, walang investment. Kayo po ang maggagawa ng account nyo. Kayo po ang magwi-withdraw sa pera nyo. At mayroon kayong community. Alright. So no disclaimer lang po. We do not accept investment. Okay. Dalawa po yung pag-usapan natin dito. Number 1 po is basic Forex and number 2 is the cheat codes. No? So basic Forex, number 1. So, may tanong po, is Forex risky or is Forex rewarding? So please type 1 or 2 if you think Forex is risky or Forex is rewarding. Para interactive tayo. Kung sino po yung please type 1 if Forex is risky and type 2 if Forex is rewarding. Si Ma'am Stephanie, Ma'am Wendell, okay. Tama naman po kayo. Risky naman talaga po. Oh, Ma'am Christy, wow, it's rewarding. Tama naman po. Actually po, to tell you honestly, mga kapatid, mga ka-A to Z, Forex is very risky. And Forex is very rewarding. Risky, why? If you don't know Forex and papasok ka ng Forex, talagang masusunog at risky ang pera mo. Just like riding a bike. If you don't know first riding a bike, kasi ako, rider po, nagbabike din ako. If you don't know how to ride a bike, sigurado po on the first time, madadapa kayo. But when you alam mo na mag-ride ng bike, alam mo na natuto ka na mag-ride ng, you will enjoy your scenery. O pwede ka nang gumala, no? Riding your bike. So it's very rewarding. If you know Forex, it's very rewarding. But if you don't know Forex, it's very, very risky, I tell you. Now, to continue, what is Forex? No. Forex, by the way, is the abbreviation of foreign exchange. Forex. Hindi po to yung mayor namin dito sa Cagayan de Oro na si Clarex. Forex po. Foreign exchange. All right. So what is foreign exchange? Basically po, it's just a buy and sell. Buy and sell. Dalawa lang po pagpipilian nyo. Buy and sell. Dalawa lang po. Hindi ka na hahanap ng produkto. Hindi ka na bibili ng isang produkto tapos ibebenta mo. Basically, it's the money. Your business is the money itself. The buy and sell. And it's the largest financial market in the world. Bakit kamo? We're trading. Actually, hindi po updated to. $7.5 trillion every day. $7.5 trillion every day. At dito po, walang kompetensya. Kahit si Sir Philip, si Ma'am Janet, kung sino-sino pong nandito, kahit si Christy, kahit si Samsung, kahit si Fau, kumikita yan, paldo-paldo ng Forex, wala pong kompetensya dito. Hindi po katulad ng ugali ng Pinoy, pag malakas ang bananakyo, lahat po nagbananakyo. Wala nang bumibili ng bananakyo kasi lahat po nagbananakyo na. Dito si Forex, hindi natin mauubos ang 7.5 trillion. 6.7 trillion ang nilagay namin dito. But the latest as of the moment is 7.54. The more marami ang mag-Forex, the more magsisigla ang market. Ganon po si Forex. And it's a global market. Why? Every nation is doing Forex. Japan, Australia, Singapore, US, Canada, lahat-lahat. Netherlands, kung nasaan si Duterte ngayon, nagfo-Forex din po. Okay. And it's the most liquid business in the world. Bakit kamo? Sa sinasabi ko kanina, you can withdraw anytime, you can deposit anytime. And it operates 24/5. Meaning to say, Monday to Friday. Alam nyo ba guys? It came to my life today that I really love Mondays. Nung nagtrabaho pa ako, I really hate Mondays and I love Fridays. Because sa Friday, inuman na, galaan na, gimika na. But to this moment of my life, I'm 52 years old, I am waiting for every Mondays of my life. Why? Because Monday starts trading. Monday starts printing money. Okay? And Friday stops printing money, kaya medyo malungkot ako pag Friday. All right. And it's available in your smart devices, no? In your laptop, in your Android, in your
Google Home
iPad,
information.
in your iPad, it's available. And the government itself is doing Forex. Lahat po, bank statement, bangko, nagfo-Forex po, no? Yung utang natin, magkano bang utang natin sa Pilipinas? Forex din po. Forex yan, no? So why Forex? Guys, because Forex is the digital business. As I have said kanina on my introduction, I came from Smart. I came from Dito Telecommunity. Didn't you notice, my dear friends, my dear kababayan, mga kapatid, mga kapuso, ka A to Z, wala na kayong makikitang load na dito. Bakit kamo? It's e-commerce. Who is e-commerce? GCash, GoTime. Ano pa? Ano pang e-commerce? Paymaya and more. You know guys, GoTime. My friend who is in GoTime, my former colleague in Smart who is in GoTime, 60 million na po ang gumagamit ng GoTime. It's digital business. Wala pong bangko ang GoTime. So kung yung naghahanap dyan, nagtatanong saan po yung office nyo, si Bitcoin at si crypto, walang office sa Manila at sa Pilipinas. Online business ho ito. Okay, it's a digital business. And to tell you honestly, we are now living on a digital business. Many, as I have said, as I have said today, at this moment, I have read an article that we are now living on a dark age. How does it end? Robots ang lipapalit na sa mga ibang trabaho. And there are two business or trabaho na you will prosper starting 2005, 2025, and up and beyond. Number one is sales. Because sales is the backbone of every business. Hindi pwedeng walang magbebenta. Number two po, digital business. And Forex is digital business. Meaning to say, you are right why you are here listening to us. Okay, it's a flexible lifestyle. Why? Because you can trade. When Coach Nars was when Coach Nars was introducing me, nag-trade po ako. At buti na lang kumita. Nag-trade po ako. You can do one in the mall you can trade. Kahit saan, kahit nasa beach ka, basta maganda lang yung signal mo, you can trade. And it's a very low startup capital. Why? Because you can trade even in cents. Even in 1 cent, you can trade. In even 5 cents, you can trade. Okay? And kung maganda lang yung pagkalagay mo, maganda lang yung analysis mo, maganda lang yung entry mo, it will have a high earning potential and no experience needed. This is because hindi na natin kailangan na magaling ka sa Forex. We thought Forex is for UP. We thought Forex is for LaSalle. We thought Forex is for Ateneo. We thought Forex is for UST or ano ba dyan. No. We thought Forex is para sa mga matatalino na. But nalalaman natin na hindi pala. And I will explain you why. Alright? Okay. Learning? O ito po yung mga pictures po sa foreign exchange. Lalo na po kung may AFAM ka, pagpunta dito, pupunta po, nag-change ng dollar yan. So foreign exchange yan. Alright, okay. So sa Forex, there are Forex major currency, no? Euro versus dollar, British pound versus dollar. That's why it's global, no? US dollar versus Swiss franc, US dollar versus Japanese yen, US dollar versus... If you notice, guys, US dollars na lahat. Why? Just like English. English is the universal language. US dollars may be the universal money. Okay, US dollars. Now, terminologies in Forex. You buy and you sell. As I've said kanina, buy and sell lang tayo. Buy and sell. Bili, at saka benta. No. The buy position or the long position is going up and the sell position or the short position is going down. Other terminologies na dapat niyo tandaan is take profit and the stop loss. Take profit, guys, is when you hit your targeted amount na kikita ka. That's take profit. Okay. Stop loss is yung ilagay mo dyan kung in order na ma-secure yung amount, yung pera mo. Okay, I will explain later. Stop loss po is nagproprotekta ng pera mo na hindi ka masyadong masunog kung medyo bababa yung market. Just remember this one, take profit and stop loss, buy and sell. Now, paano ko po explain? Now, halimbawa, buy po tayo or long position, no? Dito po ang entry natin. Yung stop loss natin dito. Bakit kamo? Because in case if market suddenly goes down, ma-stop yung trading mo. Hindi masusunog ng malaki. Hindi ka mababawasan ng malaki sa pera mo, ang pera mo. Hindi ka masusunog. No, that's stop loss. That's a protection. Parang break yan siya. Break yan. Para hindi na masunog. Bakit kamo? Because guys, the rule of thumb in trading, always protect your capital. Stop loss is to protect your capital. All right. Target 1, TP1, and TP2. Meaning to say, pag aakyat yung market, kikita ka. Aakyat pa si market, kikita ka. That's TP, that's take profit, and that's 1 and 2. Okay. Learning? Are we learning? Please type learning if you are learning. If you are not learning, babalik tayo sa introduction. Are we learning? Are we learning? Oy, walang learning ah. Okay. Okay. Yan, learning. Kasi pag hindi tayo magle-learning, babalik tayo sa introduction. Introduce ko ulit yung sarili ko. Okay. Number 2 is on the sell position. On the selling position. Halimbawa, ito po yung entry mo. Entry. Dito yung entry mo. Ilalagay mo dito yung stop loss. Stop loss is part of the risk management. Risk-reward ratio na ituturo namin sa inyo. Now, halimbawa, you opt to sell. Nag-sell ka ng dollar or nag-sell ka ng dollar or gold. Dito mo nilagay. Pagbaba niyan, kung bababa yan sa as expected, TP yan, TP1, TP2. Halimbawa, aakyat yan bago siya bababa. Ibig sabihin yan, may stop loss ka. Protektado yung pera mo. Ibig sabihin yan, guys, again, babalik ako, the rule of thumb in trading, always protect your capital. All right. So in Forex, guys, mga kapatid, mga A to Z, marami tayong technical analysis, marami tayong pag-usapan, marami tayong dapat matutunan. Technical analysis, ito po is yung chart reading, kung saan ka i-entry, saan ka mag-stop loss, saan ka anong direction niya. Ito po ang technical analysis, no? Where to buy, when to buy, okay. What to buy, what to sell, okay. There are 3 types of market analysis: the sentimental, the technical, and the fundamental. Sentimental analysis is kung sino yung malakas, si buyer ba or si seller. Makikita na sa volume natin makikita sentimental analysis. Technical analysis is yung chart patterns, yung mga chart, yung pinakita ko kanina. Yung mga chart, paano natin basahin yan, no? Which ang daming nasusunog yan kasi mali yung pagbabasa, mali yung analysis ng chart. Akala nila buy, sell pala. Okay. Fundamental analysis is basically what's happening on the world. So, like for example, when Trump won as the President of the United States, medyo tumaas yan. May impact yan sa dollar versus gold, dollar versus Canadian dollar, dollar versus yen. So may impact yan. So kailangan natin basahin muna natin yan, especially during 9 o'clock in the evening when London and New York market overlap. Mag-open si New York ng 7, 8, mag-open si London ng 9. So mag-overlap yan siya. So kailangan po natin basahin yan. So, bawas-bawasan natin yung mga marites, yung pagbabalik ni Maha Salvador sa yung pagkatapos na bawas-bawasan natin yung mga ganyan. Ang pag nagfo-forex ka, ang babasahin nyo yung mga business news na para at least. Kasi, yung mga marites dyan sa mga artista yan, hindi nagbibigay ng pera niyo sa yan. Nagpapaiyak lang sa inyo yan. Yung mga kagdodalisay na yan, wala yan. So, okay. To continue, ito po yung fundamental analysis. Halimbawa, ito may red. Ipindutin nyo lang yan. Pindutin nyo lang yan. Malalaman nyo kung ano yung news. It will affect the Forex. No? Akala mo buy. Pagdating sa news, bumaba pala siya. So, yan, apektado ka dyan. Okay. This is technical analysis. Picture of the technical analysis. Kung ano po, up and down of the market. Up and down of the market. No? All right. So ito po, technical analysis. Sell. A-analyzin mo to. Ano tong bearish flag? Ano to sell? Ano tong buy? Bakit po mayroong ganito? Parang ladder po. A-analyzin ganito po. A-analyze natin to. I-analyze. Parang sa tingin ko, complicated, ano? Parang ganito, sino ba falling wedge, symmetrical, ito. Oh, matanong ko kayo, complicated ba si Forex or hindi? Please type, please type one kung complicated. Para ano, complicated po ba si Forex or hindi? Kasi pag hindi complicated si Forex, hindi ko introduce. Okay, complicated. Mr. Rodrigo Francisco, Biwala Paula, talaga po, ganito. Gusto niyo bang hindi na maging complicated si Forex? This is now the solution. Who wants to na hindi magiging complicated si Forex? Sino? Type me. Type me. Hindi na tayo mag-technical analysis, hindi na tayo mag-sentimental analysis. Okay, me. Okay. Do you want an easier solution? Guys, we wanted easier solution. Every day, we want instant solution. Instant noodles, instant rice. 7-Eleven was created. Convenience store was created. Instant na lang, i-microwave na lang, instant. Now, sa Forex, mayroon ding instant. Easier solution. I tell you. What's this one? It's the second part of our webinar. Introducing to you guys, mga kapatid, mga A to Z, the cheat codes. Ang cheat codes, kung ikaw estudyante ka, nangungupya ka sa matalino na tao, classmate mo, alam mo papasa ka. Same also with Forex. Mayroon cheat codes. Now, how did we get these cheat codes? Paano natin nakita to? Paano namin nakita to? For those who are yung marunong, yung very inclined to business, no? Si RDR po, in-interview ni si Coach Edsel. Edsel po is a very good friend of our head coach, si Coach Nars. Alam nyo guys, si Coach Edsel, nabayaran niya yung 26 million niya na utang in 2 years. Sinong walang utang dito? Please type me. Please type man. Kung wala kang utang, alam ko. See? Walang nag-type. Kasi ibig sabihin yan, lahat tayo may utang. Okay. Please type your utang. Diyan. Oh, magkano yung utang mo? Magkano yung utang mo kung gusto mo mabayaran? Okay. Sinong gusto? Sinong may utang? Ma'am Janet, yes. Lahat tayo may utang. Huwag lang yung utang na loob. Just imagine guys, Coach Edsel was able to pay his 26 million pesos debt through cheat codes. Now it's our right time to pay our utang using the cheat codes. Are we in? Are we in? Okay. Introducing to you. Sinong gusto? Sinong gusto mag-cheat codes? Sinong gusto? I-reveal ko to. Sinong gusto? Wow! Sir, 500,000. Kaya yan, sir. Mali. And you know what? 53K, lilibet, ma'am, lilibet. Umutang ka pa, ma'am. Ang liit naman ang utang mo. Wala ko po. Kayang-kaya yan. Sir Jake, guys, yung 26 million. Pakimute na lang po, Sir Ronnie. Pakimute po. Okay. Duhay Lungsod. Sir Ronnie, 2 towns, no? Duhay Lungsod. Si Coach Edsel, nabayaran niya during pandemic time pa. 2022. 2019 to 2022, nabayaran niya yung utang niya. So, kung Coach Edsel was able to pay his debt dahil sa cheat codes, we can also do it. Because, bakit ka mo? Si Coach Edsel is a very good friend of Coach Nars, our head coach in Cagayan de Oro City. Now, ito po yung pag pumunta siya ng Cagayan de Oro, bumisita siya. Ito po, ako po yung nag-drive. Ito si Coach Edsel, si Coach Nars, ang asawa niya. Ito po, dyan, kami po yan. Tapos, ito po yung pumunta po kami ng Manila. Pumunta sa Ortigas, sa opisina niya. Nag-aral po kami ng Advanced Forex, basic to advanced. Bakit gumastos kami ng mga almost 40,000 because the tuition fee was 20,000. Hotel and accommodation was about Hotel and accommodation is about mga 8,000, and then the flights we spend about mga 8,000. So more or less mga 40,000 plus the food. Now you know what? Inaral namin ng maigi dahil sa inyo. Swerte kayo. Hindi na kayo magbayad. Swerte talaga kayo. Because we wanted na kung papasok kayo sa community namin, hindi na kayo mahirapan. Ganun po ang ugali ni Coach Nars. Ganun po ang ugali ng community na nito. Kaya swerte kayo. Swerte po kayo. Hindi na kayo magbabayad. Okay. Ano po yung cheat codes? Number 1 cheat code, AI tools. Guys, everybody in the world is crazy about AI. Robot. Now, number 1 is the pattern scanner Manara. If you enroll in the community, you will have this in your dashboard. Tuturuan po kayo. Lalabas po ito. This is what we call Manara pattern. Si Manara pattern, Ma'am Cons, Sir Cons, 10 million. Pag 10 million, wala. Sabaw yan sa 26 million. Okay. Let me continue. Pag-usapan natin yan, Cons. Yung 10 million mo, paano natin kukunin yan? Paano natin sulbahin yan? Okay. Si Manara is an AI tool that will indicate. Yung naalala nyo kanina, may entry, may stop loss. Ito po, magbibigay po siya ng entry kung saan. Ikaw po mag-manual entry. Okay. That's number 1, Manara. Manara is the harmonic patterns. Even if you Google it, guys, harmonic patterns are very profitable up to 70%. And the most successful or high winning rate is the Gartley, Bat, and Crab patterns, which has 85%. Guys, our business is 50-50. 50 sell, 50 buy. Tama? Pag may AI pattern ka, winning 85%, meaning to say, 15% ka lang ang chances na matatalo ka. 85% mananalo ka. So, Sir Cons, si Rolly, yung Ronel Duhay Lungsod, yung utang mo na 1.5, 100K, kaya nating bayaran yan. Okay, because of the pattern. Okay, ito po, example po, lalabas po to sa inyo. Alright. Okay. These are examples of kumikita ng AI pattern. I will just run through it. One person traded 238,364 in just one trade. One day. So, ibig sabihin, si Rolly, bayad na yung utang mo na 100K. Yung 10 million, sir, Cons, medyo ano muna natin yan. Dahan-dahanin natin yan. Alright. So, ito po si Coach Gio, yung kanina. Oh? Nag-trade po ng, yeah, nag-trade po using the pattern. Ha? So, ibig sabihin yan, kumita siya ng 234,000 lang naman in one trade. Ito po si Coach Gio. Kaya aralin natin paano kumita ng ganyan. Okay. Ito po example. Ito po si Coach Gio. Pumunta ng Cagayan de Oro. Pinuntahan talaga kami. Kinausap talaga ni Coach Nars. Pumunta ka sa Cagayan de Oro. Aralan, turuan mo kami para mabayaran din namin yung utang ni Rolly at saka Ronel at saka ni Cons. Sino pa bang may utang dito? Si Ma'am Lita, 500K. Kalakila. Oh, pumunta siya dito noong February 27. Tinuruan kami. So that's number 1, AI. Number 2, AI is the wealth builder. Wealth builder is automated. Ikaw po gagawa ng account. Ikaw po pwede mag-withdraw ng account. ikaw po magtitingin sa kwan. Pero si AI na ang mag-trade. Compounding po siya, compounding and stress-free. So yung mga mother, working mom, working stress-free po, AI na po ang mag-trade. You know guys, yung savings ng anak ko, yung savings ng anak ko, nilagay ko sa Wealth Builder. Para hindi na ako magpupondo every month. Si AI na magti-trade and it's winning, to tell you honestly. Okay. That's number one, AI. That's number two, AI. Number three po is sa robot is a wealth gainer. Automated na siya. Ang winning rate niya is 10 to 15% per month. So if you deposit 100,000, may 10% ka, ibig sabihin niya, sa 100,000 a month, may 10,000 ka running. Tama? Wealth gainer. Dalawa po kasi wealth gainer, wealth builder, ang automated. Okay. Now, medyo mataas yung winning rate niya because gold is so very volatile. Gold is very, medyo maganda yung market ni gold. So sa AI, tatlo ha? Sa AI. Number one cheat code is AI. In AI, tatlo yan. Si Manara, si Harmonic Pattern, si Wealth Builder, at si Wealth Gainer. Okay. Now, ito po, yung mga numbers niya. Now, what's good with this AI, it's because yung drawdown niya, I would like to concentrate here, drawdown. Ibig sabihin niyang drawdown, it's only for 6%. If you have if you have $100, ang ibig sabihin ng drawdown is yung losing, yung malulugi ka, it's only 6 pesos. $6 because it's 6%. Now, these are the winning rates, 71% and 69%. Doon po sa wealth builder at saka wealth gainer. Okay. Number two cheat code is the expert trader signal. Dito po may magbibigay ng signal. Ito po, you buy. Ikaw manual po ang mag-enter, you buy, you sell. Ito po ang ilalagay nyo, ikaw na po mag-enter. Expert trader signal. So dalawa po ang mag-expert trader signal, si Edris, ang pinakaano, tapos mayroon pang iba. Makikita nyo po once you are enrolled. Alright? So, si FXRE nagbibigay din ng signal, si Coach Edsel. So ito po ang winning rate ni Coach Edsel, 71%, 71.93%. Ito po, 78%. Okay. Magbibigay po sila ng signal once you are enrolled in economy. Kasi partner po natin sila. Now, these are the signals. No? You just run to. And number three po is the academy. When you enroll at the economy, mayroon po mga videos, mga aral-aralin nyo. Yung isa nga, ginawa niya ng Netflix tong Academy, ECA. Economy Calibrated Academy. Nandito po lahat ng videos ng basic, advanced, at masterclass. So that's number three. So dito po, basic to advanced, even crypto stocks, mayroon po. And of course, ito po, yung chart mastery na ini-offer ni Coach Nar sa atin. Kami po ang magtuturo sa inyo ng chart mastery. This is part of this academy, no? Libre ho to, no? Masterclass. All right. Number 4 po is the live trading. Live trading ni Abdallah. Ito po yung tinuro ni Coach Gio sa amin, paano mag-entry, paano mag-live trading. Dito po siya basically kumikita ng malaki. So, these are example, live trading. Kaya bilisan namin to. We only have 15 minutes kasi 9:30 magla-live trading na si Abdallah. Marami ng kitaan dito. You will experience that in the GC. Yan. Live trading yan. Sundan po natin yan. Yeah, kahit walang experience, kaya no, hindi mo na kailangan ng experience. Ha? Yan, si Abdallah. 85K in just 2 trades. Oh? So these are, i-review ko lang ang cheat codes natin 4. Number 1, AI, automated artificial intelligence, robot. Sa robot, tatlo yan. Si pattern, si Manara pattern, harmonic pattern. Number two, si Wealth Builder. Number three is si Wealth Gainer. Number two cheat code. Number two cheat code is the trader signal from our experts. Kayo po. Number three is the ECA, the Academy, Economy Calibrated Academy. Nandun po yung lahat from basic to advanced to number four po. Ito po yung live trading. Now, ito po yung mga examples po, yung kinita natin, no? So economy. Now, the very good question now, kasi Pilipino tayo. Sir, magkano naman yan? All right. But before that, yung mga iba, sir, hindi ko kaya kasi senior citizen. Guys, I tell you, Coach Eman, 66 years old when he joined economy. Now 67 years old, earning $100 to $300 per day. Just 3 days ago, kumita siya ng $5,000. He went to Cebu. No? This is Coach Eman po. So yung nagsasabi po na hindi namin kaya kasi senior citizen, si Coach Eman po, senior citizen, kaya po. So these are the testimony. First time in my entire forex trading career na consistent ang earnings kasi Bisaya to, no? So these are the four, no? AI tools has three. Manara, Wealth Builder, Wealth Gainer. Expert trader, that's number two. Number three, it's basic forex, the ECA. Number four, the live trading. Now, magkano naman yan, sir? Okay. The normal course, normal, mga 1 week course, it's basic course 70 to 150. Medyo mahal. Advanced course, mga aaralin mo mga 2 months to 3 months, that's 400,000. Stay in Manila. Okay. Pero mahal yan. Hindi po pwede sa atin yan. Okay. Other mga grupo, mayroon sila. Pero wala silang hindi sila ganun ka detailed, no? Mayroon silang package na 1,799. Mayroon din silang package na 1,499. Mahal po ba? Mahal po ba? Please type mahal. Mahal. Pag-ibig lang ang bilihin lang ang nagmamahal. Okay. Mahal. Marife, ma'am, mahal. Totoo, mahal talaga, ma'am. Sa Lahodin, Matanaog. Yes, mahal po. Mahal po. Okay. Education is very expensive. Kahit mag-aaral ka ng nursing, mahal talaga po. No? Hindi mo pa alam. Hindi mo pa alam kung papasa ka or hindi. Now, here comes economy. Economy, ma-access mo yung apat is only 645. 600 for 6 months with 6 months subscription. Ito po, mura na ba? Mura na ba? Please type yes kung mura na, iPhone. Compared to this one, mas mura. Di ba? Compared to this one. Tapos ito, hindi po siya ganun. Yung wala silang mga AI tools. Basic lang talaga ituturo sa inyo. But here, in economy, may AI tools ka na. Sa AI tools, tatlo po yan. Expert Trader, VIP Signals, ECA, and live trading. Mas mura. Alam ko po, medyo mahal din yan. But here's one thing. Gusto nyo bang mababa? Gusto nyo ba pang bababa pa? Mas mura pa nito? Please type yes. Gusto nyo ba? Please type yes po. Please type yes. Yes. Ma'am Pao, yes. Yes, I want. You flood me with yes. You flood me with yes because ito po. Yes. You remember bakit po mayroon kayo nakapunta dito, naka-join ng webinar? You remember? Pumasok kayo sa isang page or somebody has messaged you. Now, para makamura tayo, you go back to that person, you go back to that page, right here, right now, you type, I joined the webinar. Okay? Yung page na pinuntahan nyo, yung page nga nag-invite sa inyo, yung tao na nagbibigay sa iyo ng link, no? Trade like a pro. Oh. The link is now open. Remember that one? Remember? Kung sino po yung taong nagbibigay ng sayo, sino po? You type, I joined the webinar. I joined the webinar. Because if you type the I joined the webinar, ganito po ang mangyari. Instead of 645, 149 na lang. Ano, ayos po ba? Ayos po ba? 149, ma-access mo na to lahat. So right here, Sir Gideon, hindi po dito tayo na join the webinar. Doon po sa nagbigay ng yung link. You type I join the webinar. 149 USD. Guys, treat this as a business. Wala po kayong makukuha na ganito kamura. Kahit mag-start up ka ng business, kahit banana queue, malaki ang puhunan. Bibili ka pa ng kawa, bibili ka mantika, kung saan ka saan. Dito po, it's only 149. And sure, mayroon po kayong guide. So Sir Cons, yung utang mo na 10 million po, we will only start with 149 po. Kaya natin bayaran yan. I joined Sir Elmer doon po sa nagbigay ng link sa inyo. 149. At bonus po, sinong gusto may bonus? Tayo po Pilipino magusto ng bonus. Bonus po. If you type I joined the webinar, bakit po? I joined the webinar. Itong lahat ng ito na sinasabi ko, yung lahat ng ito na sinasabi ko, kung sino bang gusto mag-bonus, kayo po ay i-join namin sa GC. Ilalagay po namin kayo sa GC. Ang tinatawag namin GC doon is a holding tank. Matututo kayo sa GC kahit hindi pa kayo enroll. That's the bonus. Okay? Tuturuan po kayo namin na mag-open ng account. Tuturuan po namin kayo na mag-trade using demo account. Using demo account. Hanggat sa matuto ka na, you will enroll. Pero hindi mo ma-access yung mga cheat codes. Everything here will be yours. Now, what will happen if you subscribe? Guys, ito po, si Ma'am Marichu, si Coach Marichu is, I think it's from Butuan. I think galing, yung roots niya is from Butuan. Kasama po namin sa, sa bootcamp. Earn 5,047 US dollars sa isang buwan. Nabayaran niya ang tuition fee ng 5 anak niya. No? So guys, these are, hindi namin nilalagay ito for the sake na papasikat namin. It's for the sake na ma-inspire po kayo. Success leaves clues. May resulta po. No? Alright. So ito po yung mga examples, yung mga kitaan guys, every day, malulula ka every day. And to tell you honestly, we are 1,000 plus in our community. Yung community po na head po natin, na head coach natin, si Coach Nars, 1,000 plus. And malulula ka guys, every now and then may magbibigay ng result. Ako po, nagbibigay ako ng result. I have a 4 o'clock habit. 4 o'clock, afternoon lang po ako nagtitrade. And then 9 o'clock in the evening. Ganun po. So, you can watch my results. So, these are the examples, yung mga results. This one po. Yan. So, this is our community. And this is your bonus. Once po, you type, I joined the webinar, isasama po kayo namin sa community namin temporarily. Temporarily until such time, ma-enroll na po kayo, lilipat po kayo sa ibang community. Ganito po kami. Yung buong community, pag mag-join kayo, lilipat kayo sa mga VIP community pag enrolled ka. Alright? So ito po yung bonus. Dito po, tuturuan po kayo namin mag-trade for free. Yan po ang bonus namin, Ma'am Leslie. Alright. So these are the when Coach Gio was here. Yeah. Yan. Yan. These are ito po yung mga videos. Ito po yung tinuro niya. Of which ituturo din namin sa inyo. Okay. These are the pictures po. Last Yan. So, i-play ko lang po yung before. This is, we're almost done. We're almost done. You can throw your questions if you have questions.
Guys, while watching the video, konting ano lang, dun po kayo mag-reply ng I joined the webinar sa person or page na nagbigay ng link sa inyo tonight. Di ba po, may nagbigay ng link sa Zoom link ng webinar. Wag po dito, wag dito sa chat. Wag po dito sa chat kasi hindi namin malalaman ano yung mga account niyo para ma-join the webinar. Ulitin ko po, doon po tayo mag-reply ng I joined the webinar doon po sa person or Facebook page na nagbigay po sa inyo ng link for the webinar tonight. Okay po, Elmer. Sige, Coach. Continue. Thank you po.
The reinforcement. Doon po kayo mag-type na I joined the webinar, yung link or the person that gave you the link. Doon po kayo sa I joined the webinar. Okay, hindi po dito sa chat room. So guys, mayroon talagang matitigas ng ulo, gusto mag-trade kasi ay nasa YouTube yan, nasa YouTube lang, wala yan lahat. Wala. Okay. Mayroon magsasabi sa iyo kung mag-trade kayo na walang alam? Okay. Because guys, 95% of new traders fail. 95%. And hindi namin gusto na masasama kayo sa 95%. Okay? Because kung hindi mo alam ang trade, sure po kami ma-fail kayo. So, this is Coach GL, one of our coaches. Also very good in trading and malaki na rin kita. No? And before I'll end, ganito lang po, mayroon lang akong ma-share na saying sa inyo. Everything happens for a reason. Bakit po kayo nandito is may reason po yun dyan. And then, how much you get tomorrow is determined by how much you invest today. Tatlo lang po yung klaseng tao sa mundo. Tatlo lang po. People that makes things happen, number one. People watch things happen. And people that will say, what happened? Niyayaman kami, what happened? So, all right. So guys, I think this ends my presentation. If you have learned if you have learnings on my presentation, you can type emoji na heart, and ako po ay magsasabi sa inyo, this has been your Uncle Nonoy. Bye for now. Thank you very much.
Wow. Guys, Q&A tayo. Baka may mga questions kayo, guys. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Coach Nonoy. Guys, however, gusto ko lang yung I joined the webinar, by the way. Yung I joined the webinar, by the way, is doon po kayo mag-reply sa Messenger, sa Facebook page or sa person na mayroong nagbigay sa inyo ng link tonight or this afternoon para po kayo naka-join sa webinar natin. Doon po kayo mag-reply that I joined the webinar para po, kasi ang gamit mo doon is Facebook na, para po doon isasama namin kayo doon sa GC. So ano naman yung sa GC? Sa GC naman is, if you want to explore more, even if you're not yet ready to enroll ng 149, ang gagawin mo doon is pwede kang mag-observe, pwede kang magtanong, at pwede kang mag-start. And then pwede kang mag-join ng our mga free trainings. Mayroon tayong trainings this Thursday. Our trainings for Thursday is free yan kapag ka naka-join sa webinar. We will talking about the future in trading. So ano ba yung to explore more. So ito naman is not for everyone. Doon lang po sa mga seryoso talaga na explore ang forex trading at gusto lang seryoso talaga na gusto magkaroon ng extra sideline. Dito naman, nakita niyo naman kung gaano ka-potential yung kitaan. Like me, I'm entrepreneur also. Pero ito na yung full-time ko kasi masaya, madali lang. Like ngayon, ito pakita ko sa inyo. While we are attending the webinar, nag-trade ako. Ito yung result ko. While attending the webinar, I just trade and then kumuha lang ako ng 200 USD. Ito, 200 USD. Ito, 200 USD. Yun po ituturo namin sa inyo. Hindi po peso, madam. Dollar po. Kung peso po, hindi na tayo mag-webinar. Wala nang usap-usap pa. Kami na lang magbigay ng ano sa inyo. It doesn't paid sa sa time. Oh, well, it's not for everyone. Ganoon naman talaga. Mayroon nga dito, mayroon nga dito nag-join is ano eh. Mayroon dito nag-join is dating ay hindi dati ano siya, janitor lang siya. Pero gusto niyang mabago yung buhay. Yun kasi you can change your financial life. Ito gusto niyong mabago yung buhay niyo. Gusto niyong mabago financially yung buhay mo. It's just a matter of decision. Kailangan nating mag-decide na babaguhin natin. And then may makita tayong opportunity. I understand this is not for everyone because this is business. Treat it as a business. But for now, ito lang muna. Join our webinar. Mag-reply ka that join the webinar para po mapunta kayo sa GC. No commitment. If you don't feel like it, feeling mo, maybe this is not for me, then you can feel free to leave. Wala namang problema. Magkano yung peso, madam? It's very simple answer. No? It's like below 9,000. So with that, you don't need to ask that here because you can go on. It's easy question. So yung mga technical questions po na ano yung broker nyo, paano mag-start, yun gagawin po. Magbibigay po kami ng instructions. Ulitin ko po, $149 lang po. Business po ito. Imagine guys, ganito ka-potential yung kikitain mo. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10,000 if you want to start a business. Ano po yung business may start nyo sa halagang 10,000? At ganito ka-simple kikitain, ganito kalaki yung potential business. Okay? Kaya po, personally, when I started this one, sabi ng kaibigan ko, bro, 149. I really think that is 149,000. Kasi, negosyo pinag-uusapan natin dito, ano klaseng business yan? 10,000. Siguro mga 200,000 I can start a business. Pero sabi niya, bro, $149 lang. Kasi meron ka access sa AI, ganun. Oh, that's good. So, ginab ko na. Yun, nagkaroon ng resulta. Actually, kung marunong ka na, yung $149 mo, isang araw lang yan sa pag-trade. Okay? Tingnan mo yung date. Mamaya, isi-share ko to dun sa GC. Mga results namin, guys. Okay? So, I think wala na kayong questions. Ulitin ko, anong broker po? We use VT Markets and Light Finance. So, those are regulated brokers. So, dun sa GC, magbibigay kami ng mga link instructions. Yun po ba yung, yes, mayroon po stop loss, take profit, ituturo po namin lahat yan. Okay? So, please understand na hindi ito makuha in one setup alone. Trading is hindi po it's like driving a motorcycle. It's just learning to ride a car. Hindi po yung when you sit on the na makukuha mo na kagad. But eventually, kasi nasa GC ka, mag-observe ka, may mga information makukuha mo doon for free. And then eventually, pag ready na ka na, pwede ka mag-enroll para ma-access mo yung cheat codes para mabilis lang yung learning curve mo, para mabilis ang Yes, mayroon po tayong copy trading. Kasama ho yan, actually. Copy trading, AI tools, cheat codes, dalawang course po, Academy, ECA at saka Masterclass po yung ano. So, yun po yung may trade or for training and access lang po yan. Trading and access. Now, kung gusto mo mag-trade na walang training, pwede naman, walang problema. Pwede kami deposit, mag-train ka. Pero 95% of most of the time natatalo talaga kasi hindi nila alam yung ginagawa nila. Okay? Yes, because it's business. Business kasi yan. May ano talaga. Anyway, thank you so much. Ganito na lang guys. Join our GC. No, free naman. If you don't like, feel free to leave. Wala namang problema kasi ito naman is part lang yung sa learning mo. And I want to thank you tonight for joining us. Sir, kung sa ibang bansa, kagaya ng yung broker. Bro, understand that Forex is international. Forex business is international like we explained. So, hindi siya Philippine-based. Okay? So, if you are from international, hindi ka nag-iisa. Actually, yung kabayan community natin, very big. No? Mayroong Australia, mayroong Japan, mayroong UAE. It's already international na siya yung setup niya. So, you don't need to worry about that one if you're outside the Philippines. Alright? Guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Please reply, I joined the webinar para hindi masasayang yung time nyo. You can explore sa Thursday po. Mayroon tayong training po sa lahat na nakapag-join sa community. Sa lahat na pag-join the GC, libre lang po yung community natin GC if you want to explore more in Forex trading. Yes, I understand it's not for everyone. Some are not ready, some are confused, Some are not willing to take risks, guys. But ito lang yung isasabihin ko. If you want to change your financial life, kung gusto mong may mabago sa buhay mo, dapat may gawin ka rin na bago. Dapat may gawin ka rin na bago. Kasi kung wala kang gagawin na bago, same din yung result. Thank you so much. Good evening. To God be the glory.